In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Plus to Gmail. We will walk through it together, so just follow along on your screen. First, open the website where you want to sign up. This might be a shopping site, a newsletter page, or any service that needs an email login. Wait for the main sign up or create account page to load fully. On that page, you should see a registration form asking for basic details such as your name and email address. Once you see the form clearly, you are ready for the next step. Now click the email field. This is usually a box labeled email or email address in the sign-up form. When you click, the cursor appears inside the box, often with a blinking line. That blinking line means the field is active and ready for you to type your address. Make sure no old text is left in there from autofill before you continue. Next, type your Gmail address with a plus just before gmail.com. Say your usual address is johndoe@gmail.com. You would type johndoe plus something at gmail.com, keeping everything lowercase. The part before the plus must match your real Gmail exactly so the messages reach your account. Many beginners forget the plus has to go after your name, but before the @ symbol, not at the very end. Right under that, you can see the example format in action. Example, johndoe plus work@gmail.com. Here, John Doe is the base address, work is the label, and gmail.com stays the same. You can swap work with any short word, like shop or newsletters, to track where emails come from. Websites treat this as a separate email, but Gmail still knows it belongs to your main inbox. After that, fill in the rest of the registration form. This usually means adding your name, maybe a username, and a password, along with any other required fields on that page. Take a moment to check for any red warning messages if you miss something like a required checkbox or a too short password. Once every required field is complete, the Sign Up or Create Account button should become clickable. Next up, click Sign Up or Create Account. The button text might be slightly different, but it will be the main action button under the form. When you click it, the site usually shows a loading spinner or briefly changes to say Creating Account. Most services then show a message on screen telling you to check your email for a verification link. With that ready, open Gmail. You can do this in the same browser tab or a new one, whichever you prefer. Sign in if you are not already logged in with your main Gmail address. Once Gmail loads, you will see your usual inbox view with your existing messages listed. At this point, you will receive the verification email in your regular inbox, the one for johndoe@gmail.com, even though you used johndoe plus work@gmail.com. The message will appear in your inbox list with the sender and subject from the website where you signed up. If many messages arrive at once, use the search box and type johndoe plus work to quickly find all emails sent to that tagged address. You have now used a plus address on Gmail to sign up and still receive the email in your normal inbox. So if this helped you keep signups organized, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Gmail tips.